guys, we got an E39 here, 98 BMW 528i. Customer complaint, the car will not start by the key. There is also no park, neutral, reverse on the dash. So we had it rigged up for temporary starting purposes, ejecto-ceto. See if we can show you what's going on. So we got direct power tapped into the power lug, and we have a couple pins shorted, which I will link in the description. Okay, just shorted together, shorted to 12V, coming straight from the lug as a test point. Alright. So with those lugs jumped, we have the neutral safety bypassed. Let me grab the key here. So it always thinks it's in neutral. This will avoid the gear light coming on, the transmission warning, limp mode, getting stuck in third gear, and also we can now start by the key. Yoo-hoo. Here's the finished product.